Greetings from Puerto, Saturday afternoon. Playa San Telmo, almost in shadow. Yeah, the sun is quite low. Sunset now is 6:15. Beautiful day, warm, Kalima, but without any problem for breathing. And the moon over there. Viva la música. Viva la música, papi.
Viva la música.
Now we can see the sun. Now we can see the sun. Let's go up. There's some view. Fisherman lives here. Hello. Check this out. That's something. Five o'clock PM. There's another dog here. Hello. Hello, sweetie. She's beautiful, so calm. So this is Elisa, beautiful Elisa, long hair. People are still enjoying the sun in Lago Martianes. This is November here. That's why I call this place paradise. You can see Alteide, but it's not clear. Because of Kalima. It's a good place for coffee and rest and ice cream. This is magical. Check this out, going towards the sun. Calle Quintana ended in Plaza del Charco, famous for events and restaurants, fun. We can taste sabor a España. Is it good? May I taste it?
Very good.
Okay, let's do it. Somos aquí. Hola. ¿Se puede? Gracias.
Aquí. Ah, sí.
Gracias.
Oh, qué conchita, mira.
Eso es bueno.
Está muy rico. Hola, ¿quieren probar? ¿Coco? Breve.
And Plaza del Charco. We love this plaza, especially for New Year's Eve. Great parties over there, the stage, and for Carnival, of course, for February. Amazing. Puerto de la Cruz Carnival Internacional. Will be. And this is El Niño's old friend and girlfriend. Oh, she's so lovely. Her name is Shine, because she's so shiny, sweet. Hola, Shiny. And we can meet very special couple here. Very special couple. Owner of the Molly Malone Irish pub. Must-see place in Puerto.
We're waiting for you there.
Of course.
Tonight.
Okay, maybe. All the best.
Welcome.
Okay, lovely to see you. Lovely evening. Hi guys.
Hi, buddy.
He's famous YouTuber influencer. El Niño.
El Niño.
For this channel, Canary Relax Videos.
Canary, relax.
With you tomorrow, okay?
I'll see you.
El Niño.